Maxxon Fortify Primer is a high-performance primer that can be used to consolidate old, soft, or dusty gypsum underlayments. Using a wire-bristled deck brush, forcefully brush the floor in a crosshatch pattern, removing loose or dusty underlayment. When the brushing is complete, clean up the dust with a shop vac. For the first application, mix Maxxon Fortify at a 1:1 ratio with water. Using a handheld airless sprayer, apply Maxxon Fortify at a rate of approximately 60 square feet per gallon, or until rejection. If puddling occurs, backroll the excess primer with a 3/8" nap roller. After the first coat is dry to the touch, approximately 2 to 4 hours, the second coat, undiluted, may be applied at a rate of approximately 160 square feet per gallon. Spray in a light, even pattern. After the last coat is dry to the touch, a Maxxon EZ underlayment may be installed. Gyp-Crete was only the beginning. Count on Renovation by Maxxon for maintenance solutions for the life of your building.